Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door gasket in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a plastic mallet. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door gasket. The freezer door gaskets provide the airtight seal preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. A bad seal could cause a higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, ice on the interior, frozen airways between the freezer and the fresh food section, causing temperature to increase above normal in both compartments. We need to open the freezer door to get to the gasket. We're going to peel it a little bit on the side here, and I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver and stick it in there and pry the gasket out. And then we're going to continue pulling it off. All the way. Next, we're going to clean the seat if it needs to be done. I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver. I'm going to just clean that groove, and then I'm going to use a sponge and clean all the surface. And wipe everything off with a paper towel. Preferably to have this not only clean but also dry. This is the old freezer door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To mount the gasket on, we need to put this lip around the perimeter into the groove here. So just it's simply needs to be pushed in. I'm going to use my fingers, but if you feel that you can't do it with your fingers, you can use a plastic mallet. And start in the corner and proceed around the gasket. You will feel that it's just getting inside the groove. All right, now we can use a mallet. Okay, you can peel off the little bits the sides and check if this gasket is in all the way. See, it's not even peeling up, so that means it's in properly. All right, now we can close the door and check if the seal is tight. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.